Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. In this video I am going to show you how to fix we could not find any drives during Windows 10 and Windows 11 installation. If you are trying to install and reinstall Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you are seeing this error message, we could not find any drives, then don't worry. Here I'll show you a proper solution to fix this issue. So let's get started. As you can see, when I boot from my Windows installation media and start the setup process, then here's this frustrating error. However, to fix this issue, you will need to load the correct drivers manually during the Windows installation. To do that, first go back to your desktop and you will need to download the drivers for your storage controller. You can usually download this from your chipset manufacturer or computer manufacturer's website. Here's my chipset manufacturer is Intel. If your chipset manufacturer is Intel, then you can follow me to download the storage controller driver from Intel's official website. At first, go to Support and click on Download Center. Now go to Memory and Storage section. Now scroll down and you will need to find out the IRST driver, I mean Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. Once you found, click on it. Now download the driver setuprst.exe file from here. After downloading, open the command prompt. And right click on setuprst.exe file and go to properties. Now simply copy the full path location of setuprst.exe file. Now go back to command prompt. Now type cd space and paste the full path location that you have copied and hit enter. Next type the command setuprst.exe space hyphen extract drivers space setuprst underscore extracted and hit enter. This command will help to extract the setuprst.exe file. After extracting, copy the folder that you got after extracted. Now open your Windows installation USB and simply paste here the extracted folder that you have copied. Alternatively, you can download the IRST driver from your computer's manufacturer website and then copy them onto your Windows installation USB drive directly. You can follow one of them, both are working methods. However, now try the installation process again. Okay, once you are on this screen, click on Load Driver. Now click on Browse. Now open and expand your Windows installation USB where you have copied the IRST driver folder. Next, expand setuprst extracted folder. Next, expand production folder. After that, expand Windows 10 x64 folder. Next, expand 19041 folder. After that, expand drivers folder. Now select VMD folder which contains the storage controller driver.inf file and click on OK. Now simply click on Next to install the storage controller driver. Now keep patience and note, if the drives appears, you have fixed the issue. Well, as you can see that all the drives appears after installing the storage controller drivers. Now you can select your preferred drive for the Windows installation process. Windows installation related detailed tutorial is here and also the tutorial link is given in the description below. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.